Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, with the Moment 4 feature update that rolled out earlier this week for Windows 11 22H2, some of those improvements that rolled out were for the File Explorer. And I'll leave that Moment 4 video down below, but just a quick recap for today's video. Microsoft, as they called it, rolled out a more modern looking File Explorer with an improved header where they also swapped the address bar and the toolbar around. We get this new details pane, we get a new home page, we get this new gallery which brings photos and Photos app functionality into the File Explorer. They've also rolled out support for RAR and 7-zip archive file management as an example. You can't create archive file formats, but you can obviously read those and unzip those directly now from the File Explorer. Now, unfortunately, although Microsoft has added some improvements to the new File Explorer, which I'm actually quite enjoying, I like the new look and feel, they've also removed and deprecated a feature that's been around in File Explorer now, which I think some users may find a little bit of a frustration, because with the previous version of File Explorer, as an example, if you wanted to drag an item into the address bar, you could do that to move it. So as an example, you could drag that up and you could pop that into another folder from the address bar, which just makes maybe moving or copying or pasting an image a little bit easier and a little bit simpler. And as you can see now, with after the Moment 4 feature update has rolled out to Windows 11, that feature now has been removed. So you are unable to drag an item into the address bar to move it. So as mentioned, this feature was useful for dragging a file from one folder into an open folder or into another tab, and that drag and drop functionality, so to speak, has been removed. So as you can see, that feature has been removed, and just wanted to share that with you. And unfortunately, I think that may cause a bit of a frustration for some users who were using that functionality, but nonetheless, over and above that, I personally do like the new look and feel of the File Explorer. And at this stage, I'm not noticing too much of an improvement when it comes to performance. I was expecting a lot more when it came to the functionality of actually performance improvements. I'm still getting this white flashbang when I open up my new tabs and so on, which Microsoft doesn't seem to be resolving. But nonetheless, just wanted to let you know that over and above those new improvements that Microsoft rolled out, that drag and drop functionality now has been removed and deprecated from the new File Explorer after upgrading to Moment 4. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.